welcome to our factory, Shandong New PowerSPA. I want to show you our product line. Come with me. We can start with these parts. We can see our swimming pool small here for 5 meters, 6 meters, 7 meters, and we are only one factory what produce spa pools with size from 3 meters to 15 meters. This is our mall storage area. This is our small warehouse. We have our details of swimming pool here. Next location is our swimming pool production line. We can produce it from 3 meters to 15 meters. This is our spa pool small. We have 2 series. One is K9. It's our spa pool production line for acrylic glaze. This is our American Aristotle acrylic. This is our base for spa pools. We have few colors: white, cloudy gray, WMB, silver, and we have different seats for lying or for sitting. This is fiber application working area. After acrylic is ready, we send it to this area for make it stronger. We use vinyl for our pools for 3 times. For the first time, we use a coat of vinyl by hand to the bottom of shell for make it stronger, whereas it's thin. The second time, the whole shell is sprayed by a coat of vinyl with using a spray gun. Okay, thirdly, we use the spray gun for spray the whole shell with vinyl and fiber together. For this part, we put insulation here. It will be about 20 or 30 millimeters, and there, after we finish, we put it here. Polishing, we go to install part. So here you can see PVC pipe and PVC pipe details. Okay, in standard model we have 2 filters.